Welcome back to your dashboard. We are bringing to you another townhome. This townhome is very modern and very new. It sits in the East Legon area right down the street from the Guava Tree Townhome. It has 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms, plus a boys' quarters, and it has a community pool for the residents that are inside of this community of townhomes on a shared compound, which is about 6 townhomes, I believe. As you walk in, you have access to a room immediately to the left, which is, I guess, a media room, maybe a dinette area. I'm not really sure, but it's this room, and then it leads to this huge, very modern kitchen that has both electric and gas cooktops, as well as one large refrigerator, one stand-up freezer. I'm not really sure if it's called stand-up or not, but it looks like it. One oven and a microwave. Off of the kitchen, that leads to the back room area, which is the boys' quarters. Each room in this 4-level townhome has a air conditioning unit. As we go ahead and go up the first level of steps, we are going to go into another section of the townhome. In this area, you have 1 bedroom, and you also have a family room. As we walk into the family room, you see that this home is partially furnished. It's a nice size room. You'll notice that none of the windows have bars because of the 24-hour manned security and the electric fencing, as well as the location. We're going to go ahead and walk in the area where there is a bathroom, and there is also a bedroom. In front of you directly is a storage unit, so that's like a closet. The bathroom has, it's a nice modern bathroom with sink, tub, stand-up shower, and toilet. Again, this unit comes partially furnished or furnished. The same property owner said they have other units in the East Legon area similar to this that are unfurnished. However, he wasn't able to show it to us when we were there because all this conversation happened over the phone. Now we go ahead and leave that second level and go up to the third level where the additional bedrooms are. This particular townhome has a rooftop like terrace that has artificial grass, which is nice. So you actually can play up there because the walls are high. Here is the next bedroom with a wardrobe and the bed frame and mattress. The bedrooms are all a decent size, and they all have bathrooms. Well, 3 of the bedrooms have ensuite bathrooms. Because of the layout of this house is 4 levels, it allows for lots of space. This is the next bedroom, similar to the one we just left, with the exact same features. This home rents for $3,500 US per month. The property manager did not seem too interested in negotiating, but everything in Ghana is negotiable, so we'll try and see if you decide you like this unit. So there's 3 bedrooms on this level. And this is the last bedroom on the third floor level of the townhome. All the rooms have AC, water heaters, so that you can have hot water. There's a standby generator as well for the unit. And here's a look at the family area. So there's two family areas. So one, I guess, could be considered a living room, and this one can be considered the family room. They're both living spaces that are open. Now we're going to go out to the fourth level and see the rooftop terrace. There is this space that's like storage slash mini kitchen, but not a kitchen type of area. And so here is the rooftop terrace with the artificial grass, and this is where you see some of your air conditioner units stored. Some are up on this rooftop, some are down on the ground floor level. So there's two entrances to the rooftop, one from each side of the staircase. Okay, we're going to go ahead back down and out to the back so that you can see the boys' quarters. Here is an alarm system and an intercom system, so you can see anyone at the front gate, their face. It's a video intercom system. So as we go ahead and walk back down all the staircases, down all four levels of the home, we're going to go ahead and go out the back so that you can get a glimpse of the room that's considered the boys' quarters area. We couldn't actually go inside because it was locked, but there, let us take a look at it. And that's for your gas line, for the cylinder, the gas cylinder to be hooked up. And this is the area where the boys' quarters is. So you have your water meter is there as well, and then that's an exit. This room here is for the boys' quarters, which was locked, but we were able to peek into the window, and it's just a small room with a small bathroom, like the boys' quarters in other properties. Now, this community, all the people in the townhouse have access to the community pool, which is located right here. The security guard, who was the person that let us into the property, said they clean it very often. So the few children that live in this townhome community, I think there's actually only one child in this townhome community, play in that particular pool. But this is the pool for the community. And as you can see in the back, there's also parking for the cars.